Hi guys, it's jheielajem and welcome to my channel. So guys, for today's video, this is a Shopee/Lazada haul. So there has been a sale on Lazada and Shopee and your girl got some things. So I got a few things that might interest you guys, especially those who love makeup like me and who wants to start vlogging in the near future. So if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button down below. Oh, before I forget, I will be linking all of the products in the description box down below. So if you find anything that interests you, you can go ahead and click the link. So the first thing that I got is this Gorilla Pod. This only costs $135. So if you are interested, click down below. And the reason why I bought this is that I started vlogging not too long ago and I am using my DSLR cam, which is pretty heavy, and the one I have right here, the small version, doesn't really support the weight, so it keeps bending, so I bought the large one. The next thing that I got is external microphone. And it looks like this. It came with a box. When you open it, it has a manual that I did not read. And the microphone itself looks like this. Ayan, it has a 3.5mm jack, which is compatible for my camera, and also has a hot shoe mount at the bottom, so you could attach it to your camera. I have used this for my last video, and I can really say that it works well and it highly reduces the background noise, because I was filming with dogs barking and tricycles passing by and it wasn't really heard. So check that video out if you want to see the performance of this. So the next thing that I got is a thing for lighting, and it is the Andoer W49 mini camera LED panel light plus shoe mount adapter. I'm not sure if I said it right. Basta yon. I am currently using it for this video, so I will insert a clip right here showing how it works. I got the light box for 308 pesos only, and it says that it has been 691 in the past, so I got it for a discounted price. Currently, it works really well and I have no problems with it. The only issue is that it doesn't come with a battery, so I had to purchase mine separately. The next thing that I bought is from the same brand and the same shop. It is a mini portable clip-on microphone. So it is my first time testing it out for this video, and as you can see, it's very long. And it comes with a clip that you can clip onto your collar or your clothes. And yeah, yay! So guys, the next thing that I bought is something new to me. I'm just trying it out because I got curious with all the reviews. So I got the Seoul White Korea Whip It K Bright and Even Whitening Whip Soap. This soap costs 199 pesos only. So this is it. So this is how it looks, and I already opened it, that's why it's uneven right here. This is what the product looks like, and it has a net that actually helps produce the whip. I have been using this for at least 3 weeks now, and I do not see my face whiter than before, but I have noticed that it has brightened and smoothened my face. For the next product, I got myself an eyebrow brush, and it costs 15 pesos only. I have tried it already on my recent makeup look, which is found on my Instagram, so follow me. Shameless plug. It is really effective. Next thing I bought is not that interesting, but I bought the duo eyelash adhesive in clear, and it costs 35 pesos only. For this one, I haven't tried it yet, so I cannot really say anything about it except that it is here. So one of my favorite products from this haul is actually this one right here. And this is a 24 slot lipstick organizer. As you can see, it's very clear and it's not broken. Ayan, I'm so happy. Nilagyan ko na agad siya ng mga lip products ko. And for that lipstick organizer, it only costs 55 pesos. Next products are actually from a local brand of makeup, which is glossin.ph, and I got two of their lip glosses. And this is strawberry smooch glass, and this is vanilla baby gloss. One lip gloss only costs 140 pesos. I already have tried it on my lips and it doesn't feel very thick and heavy on your lips. It actually just feels like you put on lip balm. So let's move on to the products I got from Lazada. The first thing I have right here are these makeup brushes. So these makeup brushes costs only 276.50 pesos, and they are from the shop MAANGE. So I'm not sure if I said that right, pero 10 pieces ito, and they are very soft and fluffy. I bought a similar one from Watson's and it cost me almost 200 pesos for one, so I'm happy for these. The next thing that I got is another skincare product, and it is from the brand Fresh Skin Lab, and it is the 98% tomato glass skin soothing gel lotion. Again, I already have tried this and it is very soothing on my face and it helps smoothen my face, as you can see. My face is very textured and very bumpy. You feel some parts like my forehead, it's very dry. Ever since I bought this, my face doesn't feel dry anymore and it's very glowy. For the last two products, I bought myself two lip products, and the first one is the EB Advanced Lip Gloss. So this is how the product looks like. It's very sleek and simple, and you can really see the product from the outside agad. So lately I have been into the glowy look, and also I have been trying different kinds of lip glosses, and that's why I decided to get myself one of these. It only costs 135 pesos. For the last product, I got myself the Essence Plumping Nudes Lip Gloss. And this is how it looks like, and this is in the shade Big Softy. It retails for 239 pesos. I swatched it on my wrist and it looks very good. I think it will complement Morena's skin. And yeah, so I guess that is the last product that I bought. I hope you guys liked this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more videos like this. So again and again, please subscribe down below, turn on your notifications bell para ma-inform kayo if I have new videos. Follow me on my socials, Instagram @jheielajem and Twitter @jheielajem. Share this video to your friends, your family, your pets, your grandpa, lahat. The more, the merrier. So that is all that I would like to say. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye!